I want to use this example to demonstrate how to construct a pivot table for a categorical variable. First, select Insert Pivot Table. In the table range, select the column of categorical variable. Now here, where to place the pivot table, you can select a new worksheet or existing worksheet. I just put it in the existing worksheet. Click OK. Now in this pop-up window, drag department to row and then drag department to value. Click here. You can change the title to count. Click OK. Drag another department to value. Click here. Change the field name as %. Click Show Data As % of total. Click OK. Now we have the pivot table. You can click here to change the name to department.